Here it is a continuation of the lesson 2. As you saw there that nutrition and respiration are very closely linked with each other. This energy needed to be transported to different cells. For that reason the third life process is needed, that is called transportation. For transportation mediums are also needed. In plants the medium is water by which transportation occurs. And in animal, blood is the medium through which this transportation occurs. The main three objectives of transportation are movement of energy molecules to the cells, gaseous exchange, that is oxygen and carbon dioxide exchange, and transportation of the metabolic waste. What are these metabolic waste? During these biochemical reactions, lots of waste materials are produced. These waste materials are not harmful for the plants. That's why plants do not have any excretory system. In excretion in plants they can store the metabolic wastes, but in animals they cannot store these metabolic waste because these wastes are harmful for the animals. That's why they need excretory process and excretion system in animals. So here you can see this, all these four life process systems are very closely linked with each other, and all these life processes are needed for survival of an individual organism. Without if any one of the processes is not working properly, the other life processes cannot work also. Here one thing is that in unicellular organism, for all these processes are done by a single cell. For that reason they need diffusion and osmosis process, because these cells are always in very close link with the surrounding atmosphere. But in multicellular organism, as they are not very close to the nature, but their body is not very closely linked, that's why they need these four different processes which are very much linked with each other to run a living organism's system. Here ends the lesson 2.